Hi everyone, I am Suraj Chaudhary. I am doing MBA in SA Institute of Management Studies. And today's subject is organizational behavior. Topic is workplace violence. Now we will discuss first of all introduction of workplace violence. What is violence? Violence is a physical force exerted for the purpose of violating, damaging, or abusing. Second one, the act or an instance of violence, action, or behavior. Third one is abuse or unjust exercise of power. Fourth one is abuse or injury to meaning, content, or intent. These are all the definitions of violence. Next one is causes of workplace violence. The first one is rigid authoritarian style of management. Second one is incentive terminations. Third one is pressure for increased productivity. Fourth one is physiological instability. Fifth one is lack of individual responsibility. Sixth one is unstable economy. Seventh one is widespread job layout. And next one is obsessive love affair. And last one is domestic dispute. These are all the causes of workplace violence. So, preventive measures of workplace violence. The first one is the first one is we should check a complete background checks on a new employee. Complete background checks on new employee. Second one is create a policy that prevent harassment. Third one is create an effective line of communication. Fourth one is training and awareness or key factor in workplace violence prevention. Fifth one is establish a strict anti-violence policy. Sixth one is encourage our employee to accept individual differences. Seventh one we have prevent conflicts from turning into harassment violence. Eight number manage visitor and provide security monitoring. Nine one encourage everyone to report any and all violence incident. Deter robbers with limited asset on hand. Next one is identify organizational risk factors that could lead to violence. And last one is after an incident or near miss, perform a through analysis. And these all factors are important in prevention of violence on shop floor. If I have sauce making factory with a 15 people, then how I can implement these all factors to prevent the violence on workplace. They will discuss one by one here. The first one is complete background checks on a new employee. Its workplace violence prevention begin with hiring, conducting a thorough background check on potential employee after they access a job offer, can reveal whether the candidate has a violent past. If something comes up, ask for an explanation and make it sure is consistent with the report. The second one is create a policy that prevent harassment. Harassment if the workers come from violent family background, then therefore that to prevent violence a policy is required. So that create a policy that prevent harassment. Harassment is repeated persecution, lying and troubling behavior that intimidate others. It create an effective work environment and the behavior often serves a warning for violence. That's why creating a policy to prevent harassment is crucial step in preventing its possibility violence. Third one, we have create effective line communication. Then I will have to create a effective line of communication. Effective communication is a key factor in preventing preventing violence. Your employee have access to workplace communication network. It can help the understand, recognize, and report the early sign of potential violence rather than passively sweeping them under rug of favor of getting back to work. Fourth one is training and awareness are key factor in workplace violence prevention. In that, take the time to have training session about how to respond to violent incident. So staff know how to react when it occurs. As training teacher people what to do when it realize danger. Fifth one is establish a strict anti-violence policy. Prevent violence by creating five policies that empower your team to report violence harassing behavior of danger. This kind of policy eliminate desirable employee behavior and lead to favori- favoritize. Managers must apply swift and consistent punishment no matter who violate the policy. Sixth one is encourage your employee to accept individual difference. Personality, classes or leadership style differences exist in every workplace. If left unresolved, this issue could result in job dissatisfaction or depression and even violence in the form of verbal abuse, sabotage, or worse. Pres- Persistent issue result in higher turnover and culture problem or your organization. Help negative conflict by organizing activity to help the to get to know each other. Seventh one, prevent conflict from turning into harassment or violence. Teens should like employee. Teens should teen situation like employer for firing or get revenge. You can help prevent this conflict from turning into violent by immediate altering staff and building security of the angry depart to prepare them for possible education. At one manage visitor and provide security monitoring. Monitoring visitor and managing them when possible is a smart way to prevent violence in the workplace. Whether security guards are patrolling your facility parking lot, capturing video surveillance, or overseeing a visitor check index, these are all extra layers of security that can deter someone from performing a violent incident. The next one is identify organization risk factor that could lead violence. What areas considered in your organization are potential risk factor it could lead to workplace violence? When combined with the stress personal situation employee bring to work, they may become aggressive and lash out. The next one is after an incident or near miss performed through analysis. In the event that your workplace does experience a violent situation or is able to prevent one from occurring, follow up with the analysis who was affected and what, if any, warning signs were present. Were existing procedure and operations followed, and if not, why? Why team members adequately trained? What a new procedure and operation would help to improve staff safety and security. Answering their question can help you modify your existing plan and ensure your business is able to effectively prevent workplace violence. Thank you very much all. These preventive measures I will take to prevent violence in my company.